Hey, this is the one and only Ricer from Dead Broke Barbecue, Wisconsin, and join me February 3rd.
Yeah, one and only moron, maybe.
Yeah, I'm the one that made you funny. Voted class clown in '88. You gotta bring me along. The only thing you're missing is a rainbow-colored wig and big floppy shoes, clown boy.
Just because you were voted class president doesn't mean you got veto power on us.
Okay, fine, you two turds can come too, but I have to get this promo done. CJ's gonna wanna post this pretty soon, and I promised Kent that I would do a promo for when I was gonna be on the hot seat. You're welcome, Kent. Hey, I got a great idea. After you're done, let's go down to Corner Bar and play some quarters. Sure, we can do that later, but if you guys screw this up on the hot seat, you're going back to live with Mom. Well, I guess join all of me this Thursday, February 13th at 9 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock Pacific, which means 8 o'clock Central Time. Does that mean I'm gonna be from the future? And from the past? Never mind. Just head over to Cooking with CJ's channel and turn on the notification bell and set yourself a reminder, and we'll see you on the hot seat with Ricers. See you there.